The fastest way to solve a Rubik's Cube is a method that's known as CFOP, which stands for cross, F2L, OOL, and PLL. And what this means is that if you scramble the cube into a random scramble, and then you look at it, the best solvers in the world can predict, and they can look ahead, and they can see the cross, which is the first step. And to do this, you make a cross either on the white face, the yellow face, or any of the faces, but you have to make it a cross with the right edge piece matching with the center. So you have to do this for all of the edges. So basically, if you pair it up like this, then all of the edge pieces are paired up with the centers all along. And then the next step is called F2L, which stands for first two layers. And to do this, you have to insert these pieces that are paired together. Well, you have to pair them together, and then you have to insert them into their rightful place right here. It's like a slot. And so you do this by inserting it, and when you need to pair them up, you pair them up, and you just insert it like that. And then, once you're done with F2L, you're left on the last layer, because you already solved the first two layers. So now, for the last layer, it's called, you first do an algorithm called OL, which has, I think, 57 cases that you have to memorize, or you can do a simplified version. But if you know all the cases, then you can just look at this case and know the exact algorithm to solve it, like this. And then you get to PLL, which stands for permutation of the last layer. OL stands for orientation, but PLL is more permutation, because you already orientated the pieces and you made the top yellow, but you have to permute the pieces around the cube in order to make it right. So like these blocks right here are right, but this corner and some of these edges and corners are in the wrong places. So you need to swap them. And that's what PLL is. So you just memorize 21 algorithms in this algorithm set. And then once you do that, you can solve the cube.